Today, we will be going to Otaru. So, oh, hello! Good morning! How are you? Ayan, it's our day 2 here in Sapporo. And today, we will be going to Otaru. Ayan, so Otaru is outside Sapporo already. So, we will be taking the train. The same train, I think, na sinakyan namin from Chitose. Kasi that's from Chitose to Otaru, yung green line. So, we will go there and I think the ride will be around 30 to 40 minutes. So, yun. Sama uli kayo today. Punta tayo sa Otaru. Daddy!
Hello! We are on our way now. Battery. We are on our way now going to Otaru. Nasa train station na kami.
Dito sa green. Okay. You really don't like the air?
Attention please.
Yay!
This is rapid service train for Airport 47.
Labas na. Sa terminal. So, we're in Otaru Station. So, going out of the... You want to go first? Go. We are now in Otaru Station. Yan. So, Daddy will get a map. Plenty of map to choose from. So, yep. Yeah. May dagat sa dulo. So, we will be walking from here to there. Okay, so diretso lang daw. Sabi ng forecast, mainit, malamig daw.
Malamig naman daw, yeah?
Okay, walk na tayo. So, naglakad kami from the station straight ahead and nakapaing si MJ kasi hindi cloudy. Sabi cloudy pero sunny. Yan. So, eto. Nandito kami sa parang shopping street again. Similar to Tanuki Koji. Eto, pakita ko. So, this is Otaru Miyakodori. Dori Street. So, it's a shopping district. So, ayun yung mga shops. Pero, when you look at it, seems like most of the shops are closed. Right. So, are we going to walk? Or no? Probably no. So, later, if we still have time, we'll stick to our itinerary. Walking, Dad is there, and MJ. We're going to Otaru Canal.
Yes.
Yeah, bibili kami ng ticket para dun sa cruise kasi we watch na yun daw yung medyo mahirap makakuha. Ito na yata yung old railway.
Tamiya Railway, yeah.
Oh, this is the old Tamiya Railway already.
Tamiya.
Tamiya. I will show you. Pala yun. So, maglalahad-lahad ka lang. Bibideo lang ako. And there's so much food restaurants to choose from. So don't be in a rush to eat pagbaba nyo ng station because there's so much here. Actually, especially dun sa Sakaimachi Street. So pagbili namin ng ticket later, we will eat na sa
Beef Cutlass Kurosawa.
Oo, Beef Cutlet Kurosawa. Ouch. Ayan. So, talaga. Ano kaya itong malaking building na to? Kurosawa. I don't know. Basta yun. Yun. So, dikit-dikit naman daw yan. And, samahan nyo kami. Tawid tayo. So, here na. Ito na yung kanal. So, dyan yung babaan. Depende. It can also be. Parang babaan lang yan. Terminal. Ayun ang sakayan. Or, hindi. Picture lang yun. Ang haba daw niyan eh. So, we will just be walking there. And then, ayun ang mountains. Imagine kapag winter, puro, yan, snow, cap. So, yung mountain, puro puti lahat. Okay? So, yung mga nakikita nyong mga parang warehouse-like, parang ngayon, mga shops na siya. Pero before, it really is, those are really warehouses. Okay? Let's proceed now and see paano kumuha ng cruise ticket. I think we want to get yung medyo gabi na para mas magical daw. But we'll see kung paano ba. Kung pwede ba yun ng reservation. Okay? Yung mga itsura ng kanal during spring, sa gabi, ayan, during winter. So, iba-iba yung beauty niya. Ngayon, summer, so, ito siya. And, pwede kang mag-stamp. So, you've been, yan, so, free naman yan. Nakabili na kami ng ticket. Adult is 1,800 per adult. 1,200 ata pag 13, hanggang 12 years old.
500 lang.
500 lang. Wow, that's cheap. So, kandong mo kasi 12 years old lang pala. And below yung considered as child. So, 500 yen lang. Okay? So, mamaya pa yung cruise namin. We chose yung 7 p.m. para gabi na. Yeah, so, Tenekokoji. Denu. Kikoji. Denu. Kikoji. So, yan yung famous picturean spot. Ayan, kaya maraming tao doon sa bridge. Denu. Kikoji. Katapat nun. Yun yung kainan naman. Parang street siya ng maraming kainan. Ayan yung, actually, mas gusto ko yun, mountains. Kaya lang ngayon, green kasi summer. So, pero pag nakikita mo yan, pag winter festival, puro white lahat yan. So, yep. Weather is pleasant. Maybe 25. Pero, kasi, alas 12 ngayon
24.5.
That's the Otaru Denu Kikoji. Ayan yung mga shops. Nawa ni dati yung assignment niyang mabuti. Alam kung saan kami pupunta. Naririnig niyo yun, yung wind chime. Wow. Ang ganda sa tenga pakinggan. Kaya sa bahay meron yan eh. Air like when it's windy. Oh, maraming Christmas lights. So kaya maganda yan mamaya sa gabi. I think they will open it. Okay. So, maraming mga ganyang shops. Ito. Shops. So, nice. Later, pasok kami dyan sa loob mamaya. Ayan yung mga chimes. So, hindi ko lang alam kung magiging, oh, I saw this in one of the vlogs. Ayan. Diba? Nice.
Wanna sit?
No, yeah.
Yan. Thank you, Daddy, for the umbrella. Diyan na kami kakain. Hinanap ni Daddy yan. Beef cutlet. Mukhang walang pila.
Otaru Kurosawa. Kanina may pila nung nandun tayo sa malayo. Nakapasok na. So, hopefully, may available seats pa rin.
Okay. So, ayan. Kain kami. Kain tayo. Makikita natin yung... Yan. That's a... Hopefully, okay. Hindi naman kamahalan. And... order. We'll try. What we ordered. Ang mahal. Yung total bill namin 16,500. And we ordered for me beef cutlets at premium. And Daddy wants to try
Yung Wagyu sirloin.
Wagyu sirloin cutlet set special for 7,700. And MJ will try yung Wagyu sirloin cutlet set for 5,500. So ako yung pinaka-cheap na kumain. Okay lang kasi hindi ako masyadong malakas sa meat. Hingi na lang ako sa kanila para matry ko. Okay? So, kain na tayo. Hintayin natin yung order natin muna. Daddy got his order already. That's the
Wagyu sirloin cutlet.
sirloin set special. So, yun yung in-order ni Daddy is yung Wagyu Premium Set Special. And that's the sirloin special, and mine is the premium beef cutlet set premium. So comes with this. Okay, kain na tayo. Okay, so yes please. Ako na just for a while. So the style is to cook the cutlets already. All the cutlets already. Mamaya. Okay, thank you. And then, so, para dire-diretso na yung kain. So, let's wait.
Because the fire is only 20 minutes.
Really? Did you read? It says 20 minutes. So, you need to cook everything
Yeah.
within 20 minutes. So, let's try first. So, luto na to. I think, baba na natin. Maya natin yan kakainin. So, let's put the other. I think, it's already like medium well, or medium already, right?
Yeah.
So, medium na yung pagka-fry. So, you just need to adjust kung ano yung gusto mo. Actually, you can eat it as is. If you don't like it well done. But I like it like medium well. Bigay ni Daddy. Look at that. Premium. So, try natin. So good. Try natin. May potato salad. Good. Kain muna kami. Sarap.
Yeah, I like mine.
You like this?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, you can have it.
Okay. Why? Yours is
Great.
premium.
Great, because you gave me 2.
Mataba kasi. Gusto niya lang kasi yung meat. Lean. That's why, hindi kami pwede ni MJ parehas. Kasi pag ayaw niya, may option siya. Oh, good. Kami lang. Kain kayo dito. Try natin ang with wasabi. Ang cutlet.
Tapos na tayong mag-lunch. Nasarapan ba kayo sa lunch?
Ako, nasarapan naman. Medyo namahalan lang, pero nasarapan naman.
Yun. Naubos na rin yung battery nito. So, baka mahina na yung na-charge ko ulit. Okay, so, nandito na kami sa Sakay-Machi Street. Ito yung shopping street ng Otaru. So, dito na rin yung Letaw. I think dito na rin yung
Steam diesel.
diesel. So, we'll just walk through the street of Sakay-Machi. Okay?
Ganito.
Pasok ka. Yan. So, yep. Famous yata yung Sapporo sa lahat or Hokkaido sa mga clocks eh. Kahit saan may clock, hindi ka mawawala ng oras. So, yan.
That's the end. Oh, Daruma nga, oh. Red paper dal, Daruma.
Yung may green na build. Okay, so after this, there's a car. That's the Letaw. We will have our dessert. Coffee perhaps. Letaw Cafe, second floor. What's that? Style? We're gonna buy Indian.
So, turquoise pa yan.
Ganda oh. Gusto ko to because I like horses.
Yeah, the crane. I think the crane is good.
Yeah. This is also horse, but all the horses are in color. I thought this one is pink.
Hey guys, how about this is music now?
Very nice. Ito kami sa second floor. Parang museum naman. So, we are here sa second floor. Ayan yung view from the second floor. And there's their bunch of things to see. Been here sa second floor. Yeah, so MJ wants to go up. Sa 3rd floor. I don't know what to see there. Ghibli pala. Mga Ghibli ano. So MJ wants to see there. This is the 2nd floor.
Panda, yeah.
Sarap dito, aircon. MJ, may bird. Ayun o, parrot. Yeah, that's it. Oh, this lamp daw to. It's not. It's a wine shop. Actually. Tax-free daw. So, dito raw yung bilihan ng ice cream na mataas. So, and this is the lamp something. It smell. Baka kailangan may reservation ka. Eto. Buying soft serve ice cream. Tall one. Thank you. So, ayaw daw ni MJ, pero kinuha ko pa rin siya. Para ma-try. Okay? So, try natin yung nasa top na flavor, which is chocolate. Melon. Ayun yung melon. Ito strawberry. Of course, chocolate. Mocha ba ito? Vanilla. Lasang ano? Ito gusto ito ng MJ. Chocolate ito. One dagya. Ama iya. Tulungan mo kami. Don't need to be hungry to eat when you're traveling.
Yeah, but I don't think somebody must eat the
All the flavors. Yum, yum. Gusto mo namin ito pang matunog. Naubos na yung ice cream. Ganda ng shop na to. Yan o. Ang cozy. So, and ang lakas ng aircon. So, nakaka-brain freeze. Hindi pala kaya talagang ubusin ng isang person yung ganyang kalaking ice cream. 850 yen. Not bad. So, at least 3 to 4 yung mag-share. Dahil, masyadong madami. Okay? After nito, punta na kami sa Otaru Canal. Magpe-picture-picture doon and we'll wait for our boat cruise. So, 30 minutes ata yun. Ito yung get a glimpse. Hindi kami pumasok ang baho. Pero, that's the famous na Gasera shop. Okay, sarap na ng weather. Dapat talaga, kapag summer kayo nagpunta, night shift kayo. Kunyari, maaga siguro, maaga, tapos balik sa hotel. Yung mga ganong or half day na ang start ng gala nyo, mga 3 p.m. Do maaraw pa nun. Pero pag ngayon, 5:20, ang sarap na ng weather. Mga 23-ish na to, 22. Baka nga 20, malamig. Diba dad, malamig?
Yes, yes.
Baka hindi sila maniwala eh. The other side, may araw pa. Pero dito kami sa side na walang araw. Ayun. Lakad lang kami. Balik kami sa Saikaimachi.
Ito Sakaimachi.
Sakaimachi na to. Sakaimachi Dori.
Pabalik na kami sa Tenfukoji.
Ayun. So kasi, pipicture na kami dun sa kanal. And then we will wait for our boat ride. 6:45 daw dapat nandun na.
Yeah.
Okay? So, ang dami, diba? Daming mga ganyang shop. Pero napansin ko, ang bilis nila magsara.
5:30,
5:30, most of the shops here closed na. Pero siguro may mga, yan pa yung isang ko pang hindi nakakain. Yung corn. Hokkaido is also famous with their sweet corn. So we should try that. Overall, sa akin, ang saya dito. Parang, not to mention yung pagdating ng between 12 to 3 p.m., yun yung sobrang init. I guess. Pero hindi super, So, other than that, perfect naman yung ganitong season pumunta dito. Hindi rin ganun karami yung tao. Okay, so that's Deno Kikoji na food alley. Again, marami dito sa Hokkaido ng mga ganitong food alleys. Yan, mga kaizen doon. And marami rin silang mga ganito. Ayaw mo kumuha ang fortune. So, furry shop. Oh, ano yan? Ang cute. And that's it. So, it's like look up. Makita natin. Ayan, pwede ka raw pumanik dyan sa taas. So, you can take a photo. But, I cannot go up there. There's no... I think I can, but I cannot go down. Or I'll have difficulty going down. So, mga kaisan doon. And this is where we are going. Oh, nice. Picture tayo dito. Ayan. So, we are here na malamig na. Tingnan nyo yung temperature. It says, what?
22.7.
22.7. And everyone's here. Almost. Nasa kanal. Maganda na yung weather. Ang sarap na. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka... Diyan kami sasakay later. So, hopefully, medyo matagal, no? Or ganun lang
40 minutes.
40? Okay. So, ang bilis sila umikot, eh. Okay, so, eto na yun. Eto na yung kanal.
Lalabas pa yan dun, eh. Pag doon.
And during the winter season, ice lahat yan. No?
Yeah.
Ang paligid. During the summer, ganito itsura niya. So, yan kami sasakay later sa boat. Maganda yung punta namin kasi konti yung tao. Feeling ko pag weekend kami pumunta rito, maraming tao. Ayan. So, and then, I think marami dito mga day tour lang or nag-tour. So, definitely after May time lang sila. 5 PM, wala na. So kami kasi is DIY. Kaya we can stay here until gabi. That's what I like about Japan. Regardless ng season, may flowers. So, ayun yung mga warehouses na ngayon ay shops na. Nice. Manifest, diba? So, i-manifest natin na madala natin lahat ang gusto nating taong dalhin dito. Yes! Diba? Pwede yun. If you ask for it, God will give it to you. Okay? So, that's my greatest wish. This is a nice city. Actually, I think this is even prettier during the winter season, though it's gonna be super cold. Yan, nakapila na kami sa boat ride. Where's MJ? Oh, meron si dading Otaru beer. Inumin niya raw mamaya habang nasa boat. Okay? Sasakay. Okay? So, by twos daw. So, we are now boarding. Yay! Nasa unahan kami. Nasa na ang Yay! Nandun na kami sa boat. This is the highlights of Otaru trip. So come with us. Bye!
本日は小樽運河クルーズにご乗船いただき誠にありがとうございます。この便を担当します山下です。まだガイドを始めたばかりなので間違えてしまうことがあるかと思いますが、どうぞよろしくお願いします。ではこれから中央橋を抜け小樽港海に出ます。その後穴場スポットである北運河まで進み、再びここ中央橋のある南運河に戻ってきます。物の行き来が多くなると今度はお金の行き来も多くなります。北のウォール街と呼ばれるほど多くの人口が集まり、街道経済の拠点として栄えました。現在も当時の風景や建物が数多く残っていることから屋根のない博物館とも呼ばれています。それでは船はここで進路を変え小樽港に出ていきます。皆様の正面にある橋は月見橋と言います。この先船同士が近くなる場所があるため合図の方を鳴らします。前方から大きな音がします。ご注意ください。さあ船は小樽港に出てきました。平均水深14メートル。海も素敵ですが、今通ってきた場所左側を見てみてください。小樽の街が広がっています。ぐるっと見渡してみると山と海に囲まれているのがわかります。そして小樽の街、そして次に皆様の左側、上から黒、白、グレーのお船、こちらは北海道警察の石狩というお船です。地図の方を鳴らします。前方から大きな音がします。ご注意ください。と一人前ではないと言われていました。ベテランになると3
probably used for
それでは船は U ターンを終えたので、これから南運河に向かって進んでいきます。
malamig.
それでは話は小樽の歴史に戻ります。先ほどは小樽運河の
try the boat ride or cruise, canal cruise. I lied. We will be going to Otaru Beer Garden. This is the Otaru Beer Garden. You just want to have a sneak peek of what's inside. But basically, we will not be drinking beer. So after this, we'll already go back to the station. So this is how the Otaru Beer Garden. Free self-tour, wow. So, pwede kang pumanik sa second floor. May free self-tour. So, you can see the view of the beer garden. So, there. That's the view. So, actually, you can drink here. You can eat, of course. Ano ba yung nakakain dito?
Those are the original.
Oo, brewer, gawaan ng beer. That's where they ferment. Brewing the beer. So, it's not fermentation.
Just like the German way.
Oh. So, yan. So, pero hindi naman kami pupunta dyan. Just showing you the view from the second floor. Ano dito? Museum. So, it says here, since its founding in 1995, Otaru Soko No. 1 has been brewing and selling beer at our brewery in the pub. 1995. So, Otaru Beer. Tinikman ni RC kanina. Lasa daw, San Miguel. Masarap naman actually. Hindi lang siya yung chuhay, pang babaeng beer. Ayan o, pakita mo nga, Otaru Beer. Daddy will bring that home for sure. O, pwede ka rin daw dito. So, that's the view from here. So, we'll tour around. Okay, so yun yung little tour natin sa Otaru Beer Garden. And that actually concludes our day. And we are going to head back to Sapporo. So, babalik na muna kami ulit sa Sapporo. Thank you sa pagsama sa amin sa araw na to. I'm sure na-inspire kayo. Sure na kagad eh, no? Sana na-inspire kayo. At, yun. We wish that if you want to come here, yan, i-manifest na natin yan. Sana makapunta rin kayo dito. Because this is a place worth adding to your bucket list, travel bucket list. Okay? So, watch out for more videos. Marami pa kaming adventures dito sa Hokkaido. Bye-bye! Tugoy. Daddy! Ito ang ganda. May mga pink lanterns. So, I know I said we're done for the day. Pero pahabol lang to. Ganda eh.